Tired of dark rooms and hunting for switches? Take control from your phone or voice without rewiring your whole house. At Peaden, we install smart light switches that fit your existing fixtures and give you simple, reliable control anywhere you are. With a Peaden Smart Switch installation, we listen to what you're trying to accomplish and match the right switch to your wiring and bulbs. Once installed, we can help you set schedules, dim scenes, and orient you to special settings like vacation mode that give your home a lived-in look while you're away. Since 1969, homeowners have trusted Peaden for pro installs across AC, plumbing, and electrical. We keep up with emerging technologies so that customers like you can benefit. Our teams are background checked, arrive in uniform, protect floors, and clean up before they leave. If you're looking to add smart switches or automation to your home, give us a call or book an appointment online today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.